I try to get trouble. Malika, say hi. Everyone likes when they say hi. Say hi. Awesome. Okay, Malia, you'll get to say hi soon. Hey guys, so we're at the mall. Gonna just go in for a little bit, do some window shopping, and of course, Nat's gonna get some stuff. Let's stop in Bath and Body Works and see if they have any sale, babes. That put a smile on your face? No? Malia, now you want to say hi. Say hi, Malia. Mal is busy today. Let's get the juice. Yeah. Cheers, boy. Why you don't want Apple Wallet? Is it just a cup? Yeah. Molly, I don't touch anything, because I know how your fingers work.
Yeah, so property body wash, this one ends today, the $5.95 for all body cleansers ends today. It includes the bar soaps as well. And then $15.95 for the 3-wick candles ends today as well. But
Okay.
was there anything specific you guys are coming in for?
Anything that you were coming in for?
Not really, probably body spray.
Awesome, yeah. So if you want to do anything else in the body care, it's buy 3 get 1 free.
Buy 3, get 1 free. Okay. Gotcha. Oh, and that's also that's including the where's Malika? That's including the one that's for $5.95 as well.
No, it doesn't. This is separate. Yeah.
So just include these guys. Okay.
Yeah, basically everything else. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
You bet.
Here's Malika.
So buy 3 get 1. What's that? Lotion?
Body cream. Smooth and foot scrub.
Yeah, definitely need one of that. So, alright, so I like this scent. Try me. You ever think?
No, you should do this thing. It's so manly. The manly scent. Like,
That too masculine?
yeah.
But isn't that what ladies like to smell? Masculinity. Yeah, I want to smell fruity.
No, you can't smell fruity. It's actually not bad.
It's not bad. What about this one? That's calm.
I prefer this one.
Yeah, this one better. Yeah, I like this one. The first. The first.
No, it's not your mommy and daddy first.
What she said?
It's my mommy and daddy first.
No, it's Malika's mommy and daddy first.
She was the first one.
Malika was a single child for 4 years of her life. You just come in the picture. So I'm gonna take up this one. Which one you want? Or what you want? I'm gonna take up a spray as well.
It was my father's baby.
That was what you're gonna get me?
Yeah.
Alright, don't put it back then.
Oh, right.
Yeah, if I get something different.
No, this one. No, look here. Relax. Look at me. Look at me.
It's a men's shop. Is this would this be considered a man's scrub or just a body cream?
Body cream. Body cream is
$18. Where are the squares?
Don't spray a lot, please. Malika wants spray too.
It smell like the Cuban color they were in Jamaica.
Oh yeah, the regular.
Yeah.
When you buy bathroom spray.
Nice. Signature. It smell like one candy.
That smells just like no, I'm not gonna send there. I'll stop upon the one there. Unless I go back to the dark. The signature. The normal one.
I mean, this one really nice, you know?
Malia?
Can I go around with this? Oh, but I just wanted to run and try. You have me trying. Yeah.
I'm afraid to people them something.
Okay. So I have these two. What you want?
Let me look in the piece.
Pink. There's a pink section up front. Malia, leave it alone, please. I have these two. MJ, Malika, we're almost done, okay? Make sure I pick something we can use every now and again too. Malia J. Don't touch the lotion. Take your hands out. We always have to come prepared, eh? Remember, in Jamaica, you have the persons who used to order Bath and Body Works online, and or the persons who travel and they come down with a few products and sell, you know? Okay, they don't have a Bath and Body Works store, which I think if they put a store in Jamaica, it would be very, very, very successful, I think. That's nice too. That's nice. I prefer that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Stop, sorry.
I prefer that one.
That's it.
Okay, to the cashier.
Go.
Get one free set.
Okay, so can we get anything for free or?
Anything, but no, it has to be a lotion, a spray, or a cream.
Okay, no candle.
No candle. It's just our body care.
So instead a lotion, a spray, or a cream.
Yeah, not the shower gel or the body wash because that is a different scent.
Okay, I'll take. You want a spray or should I? I'll take another spray.
Take a spray for me.
Take a spray for you?
Yes.
I don't know what you're gonna like.
Go. Take a spray.
Okay. So this end up cost $60. Welcome to the mall, guys. I guess with every mall in every other country, whenever you go there, you end up spending money. Grande Prairie is no different. What's up?
Too much.
Eh?
That's too much.
You want me to hold it? I don't know what you guys are asking me to do. Come, let's go. Careful. Malia, stop the running. Walk normal. And I almost chop over my face. think we've only been in some of these stores like once or never. Can you say that in the camera, please? What are you telling me?
Why should I tell it to you?
What are you telling me? Tell me what you're telling me. So you're looking for what are those dresses called? A sundress? Looking for a sundress? What am I gonna look for?
Yeah.
I am not looking for anything. Mommy's looking for something. What mommy gonna look? Ask mom. Ask mommy what she's looking for. It's too small for mommy?
It is small.
I say that's short.
It's a summer. Things up.
Oh, Malika.
But I like it. Yeah. Sure.
2 for 20. Mix and match.
Some medium. I like the coat. But I don't have a big one.
Guys, this little girl is obsessed with fashion and dress and stuff like that. Come, Malia. Yes. Where's the kids section, Malia? Let's go and look. Guys, Malia is obsessed with dress. It has to be pink or purple. You like purple?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the big kids section. Let's go and find the girls section.
So we can find a dress.
Yeah. Okay.
This way has the dress.
This will have the dress?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Come look if they have any other kids section, Malia. Come. Come, this is your section, baby. Let's see if we find a dress for you right here.
This is so pretty.
Dress is so pretty. You don't have enough dress at home.
Yeah.
But why do you want a new dress? You don't have any answer.
Daddy, why not new dress so I can pick out a new dress like mommy?
You want to get a new dress like mommy?
Yeah. Daddy, where's mommy?
Mommy's picking up her dress. Yeah, what about this?
Yeah! These are so pink and these are dresses. This is dresses up there, Daddy.
Hmm?
This dresses up there.
What size is this, Malia? That's-
7 and 8 and...
Yeah, that's too big for you, baby.
Yeah, we had to get one. These are not too small to me. Yeah, pick my favorite color. Pick my favorite color, yeah.
Malia, oh my gosh. Alright.
Micah, you like this one, Micah?
I'm getting what I want.
Micah don't
Okay.
like this one. No, 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 no.
Can I go and get my juice now? Malia. So as usual, I get what I want last. Eh? Everybody have to do their thing before we can get a juice.
Yeah.
You want to try out? Molly, don't touch anything, please. The mighty kill? Small? What if I have a kid size? You like it? Come on, Ethan. Turn around, baby. Come, french fries. Guys, we're now at the pet store. Gonna get, what are we gonna get, Molly? We're gonna get fish food.
Yeah.
And we're gonna get the what do they call it? The automatic feeder. I have to talk to the fish specialist. they always like look at the animals first. Some animals are not such a You want to see the animals? Malika love cats, you know.
I know. It crossed my mind, so I'm thinking about you. Honestly,
Sorry. See the kittens?
I'm thinking about it. I'm honestly thinking about getting a cat.
Malika like cats.
Mommy, look at this cat up there, Mommy.
Cat is sleeping, do not tap on glass. Okay, we're not supposed to tap on glass.
This cat's not sleeping.
No, Malika, don't tap on the glass. It's not sleeping. I'm frisky.
You want a little frisky?
That's not company.
Stop tapping on the glass. I know you're excited, but be gentle.
Mommy, look at the black cat.
Yeah. You're the cheering cat and you're cheering of it. That's one. That's not a cat. The house not big enough.
Cats like it.
Yeah, cat like.
Malika, don't open the door. You want to go in? You want to go in? You want to touch the cat? Well, we can't go in. Not right now. Okay. What sound the cat makes, Malika? Yeah. Each cat have a different adoption fee.
Yeah.
Why the one is so cheap? But the one Matilda?
2 years old.
Daddy,
She will not be because
Mommy,
she's
wait,
older.
the cat
She's
is
older.
up that, Mommy.
Huh?
The cat is up.
The cat is up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. What sound the kittens make, Malika? Meow. Cat goes meow.
A bandage for.
Yeah.
Right, one more thing.
Hmm?
She could cuddle you. And then you
Yes.
saw young them sweet. It's so nice.
Malika's
Hi. You say hi to the cat?
Hi. And this one's sleeping. Why is this one
Sleeping.
Mommy?
so Matilda's so cheap. Lamb.
So why Matilda so
Sleeping too, Mommy.
So cheap though. Matilda is a sweet, soulful girl with the softest fur and kindest heart. She adores people.
Mommy, I want.
you
That's
want? You want a
us
cat?
scritches.
I want it to live up. This one's not sleeping.
That one is sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The cat's sleeping.
Yeah, the cat like sleeping like the cat. This is a guinea pig. Okay, let's come over this side and look on the one that mommy don't like.
Daddy, what are these?
These are, what are these? It's empty right now, it looks like, Malia.
Yeah.
Okay, let's come and look on the fishy. You good? You come like you never know none of that, sir. Dry down so the obvious is sitting underneath it. Yeah, you got gym. You need to get some pants to go to gym, you know. That too shit. Hey, please, man, I do, you know. Hey guys, so we're gonna drop off these two and that's and I will go to the gym. Is that strawberry?
Oh my, what is her face?
Light up.
Light up. It's strawberry. Hopefully no bird no pick it up.
Rochelle did a video. Go Malika. Where's the parents, Zuri?
Even. Why is she? What do you mean? Why is she wearing a dress? No, she artist.
You're wearing a dress too.
To show you guys our somewhat indoor. Can I call it a farm, babes, or is it just a garden? Is it a farm?
Indoor garden.
Indoor farm, guys. I don't business not so much about indoor garden. So here we have some scallion, green onions. These are coming up pretty nicely. Right here we have some bok choy. These are coming up nice. Yeah, guys. So here we have some peelings and stuff inside. This is a pepper tree. To be honest, not sure what kind of pepper, but I'm guessing it's some kind of bell pepper. We have thyme right here. This is really and truly thriving. When we got it was just a little bit in the middle here. Now it's kind of spreading all around, so that's good. Before you know it, we're gonna have thyme fully. And here we have some kale. We have some kale here. These are doing well as well. Kale right here. This is a tomato plant that's coming up. And here we have some spinach. All of these are spinach. Yeah, that's what's going on right now indoors. So our kitchen table, our dining table, is a gardening spot at the moment, right? As soon as these get a little bit bigger, we're gonna transplant it in different pots and put it in and around the kitchen. Now let's go outside and see what's going on outside. Full disclaimer, our backyard gets some.
You're going outside?
I'm going outside, yeah. Full disclaimer, our backyard gets probably too much sun, so the plants outdoors is not really thriving as much as indoors. Temperature is plus 30. Nice warm day. So these strawberries, I'm not sure if these are dead or alive, because sometimes they come up and sometimes they look like this. It's really hot right now, so probably we need to put them in a cooler spot. Alright, we're gonna probably have to these probably have to pay the price, and then we get some new ones and plant indoor or in a cooler spot. We'll plant some peas. Starting to shoot. Right here, shooting right here. That one is shooting as well, if you guys can see. Yeah, we have a couple of the peas that's shooting. Yeah. Not too bad, not too bad. And then here we have a number of things in this that's barely coming up. You guys won't be able to see it yet. We have 2 tomato plants right here. Those are not going bad. We have this part right here is beetroot. We have a few pepper trees right here. And now I'm just gonna get some water in these things, get it going, right? So guys, that's the end of this vlog. Just coming from the gym. How you feel coming from the gym?
Feel good.
Feel good? Yeah, you always feel better leaving the gym than going there. Isn't that crazy? Anyways guys, we'll end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please take a second, hit that subscribe button, smash a like on this vlog, and leave your comments in the comment section. Until next time, see you guys in the next video.